The PO process involves the receiving the goods and ensure they match the details specified in the PO. The put-away process involves storing the received goods in the appropriate location within the warehouse. After verification, the received goods are transported to their designated locations. As the tires arrive at the location, the inventory is updated in real time in WMS to reflect the new quantities. This process involves selecting items from inventory and then packing them for shipment. Picking involves selecting the items specified in the customer's order from the warehouse shelves. The items are verified with customer orders before packing for shipment. When the returned item arrives at the warehouse, it is checked to ensure the reason for return and update in real time. If there is no damage, the tires are returned back for reverse inventory process.